Hello, welcome to the Dales. Beautiful day, decided I'd come up Whinney Hill. Oh, well, I got to laugh. Look at that grass, it's like a billiard table. It always runs sheep in here. And this one field here has produced 400 flax bale seeds, 1817 to 1820. And they come out of, the mill was over there, way over there, out of sight down in that valley. But they used to bring them along this road, the bales, dump them off at the mill, pick up all the rubbish, bring it back here and put it on this field for fertiliser. And that was the laddie who looked after the road and this little farm. But a brilliant spot. But I thought, oh, I'll get out. I've got, withdrawal symptoms for seals. So I thought, I'll try something new. I'll set the detector at 7.7 kilohertz. Normally I'm running on 18, but I'm down onto 8. And I've got high sensitivity. And lo and behold, I'm picking up lots of iron, not digging it, and I do believe that I've just got is a seal. And yes, it is. Whoa! Hello, big boy. Right, let's see who we are. Get the right way up. Oh, I'll need a clean. But it's, what are you? 1819. Number one. There was still one left, look. Hey. Oh, I'm chuffed to death. I got a seal. Onward. Hey, got a coin ball. Be it ever so tiny, it's probably a button ball. Here we go. Eyes down for a nice tiny little, whatever you are. There you are. Oh, you look like a button. You are in there. I know you're in there. Go, look at that. Tiny little stud by the look of it. Yeah. Oh, tiny little bronze stud. Hey, not to worry, finding stuff. And another one sneaking away. Grudinin. Oh, I've had a few of you. 1817. Number two. Number three. Fella called Shogalev. 1817. I'm not sure about that. 17, I think. 9 heads in the bale. Second quality stuff. Oh, that's not bad. I started by that bucket there and went that side of that little path up there up to the gate, come back this side of the path, and this region here I've had 2 seals and a bit of lead out there. So this 7.7 is not letting me down. Number 4, I think that says Polakov, 42 post, and it's a 1918. Oh, hey, good day. Did well coming here. Oh, look at that grass, isn't it brilliant? It's like a billiard table. So I've done 1, 2, this, I did 1 pass, got 1 sealed, another pass there, got 2 sealed, 3rd pass coming along here, all that way for nothing, but then I've got another one now. So I've had 4 seals out of 3 passes. That can't be bad. Oh. Everybody and his dog's been in here in the project. At least a dozen project members have been in here. And still, they miss them, as did I. Oh. I saw a very strange rookery over that way on the way in. There was a single tree and there was about 12 rooks in it. Tiny tree. Normally you get a lot of trees. But one tree up on the moor and a load of rooks. A touch of a cool wind blowing in. Curlews. Crows, curlews. Honk honk, sounds like geese. Oh, just taking it nice and steady on the flat. Coin ball. But this size, probably, oh there you are, probably a button ball. Yes, you're a button. I can feel you're a button. Number 5, 1817 Gurov. God, that were deep. It was deep. It were refusing to give me any numbers, and then when it did, it said, oh, this is iron. I said, oh, come on. You've had me on that before. Look at that. Look how deep that was. A good 11, 12 inch. Look at that. That's let's see. It's an 1829. That's weird. That's way out of its box. It was literally half an inch just into the grass in that little bit there, look. I went over it, blip blip, and I thought, oh, somebody's throwing bloody rubbish on the top. But it was that. I am doing well. Oh, and the 7. Strange signal because it's broke. 1817 Filatov. Hey, a loom weight. I'm on my way back now. There's the gate, there's the car. Legs falling off. Had enough. Oh, give you one last look at this place. Fabulous. And nobody else around. You're great. Oh. Right, I'll see you at the roundup. Hello. Welcome to the roundup. That's a bit better. Getting my hand back in. Bit of lead. Bit of lead. It was rolled up, but I unrolled it because you never know. Bronze stud, bronze button, and a loom weight. And 7 Russian flax bale seals. (1817). 1817. 1817. Where am I? Lost it. I think we'll plug for 1817 for that. Oh dearie me. Could actually be 1810. I'll have to check with the database. And we're looking at 1818. And we're looking at 1819. All of these on the back here. Here it says, let me get my finger in so I know where I'm pointing at. Come on. Come on, play ball. Well, that one, look. There's a C on the left hand side, GF. That's the initials. Oh, pardon me, dying. That's the initials of the owner or the agent, or actually even the grower of the flax in Russia. 12 is the number of heads in the bale, and that's heads or number. If it's Cyrillic, it means 12N, 12 number. But they call them heads. It's a bunch of flax, a head. On the top there we got NP. Anything before 1829 with NP is flax. They changed the grading in 1829. So it's nothing to do with Narva Port or anything else. It just means this flax was taxed probably to St. Petersburg before 1829. And they're all the same. We have thousands of NPs. And it changed in 1829, if I can get on, to this grading here, look. There's an S missing there at the front. It says SPB. Doesn't mean it came from St. Petersburg. It means it is after 1829 and tax was paid to St. Petersburg. That says number 3. That's 3rd grade. And I think we're looking at... what are we looking at? 2 initials. I'll have to... and the date is missing, but it's somewhere between 1829 and 1838. One thing to notice about these, had comments on, oh, you can tell how old lead is by the colour of it. No, you can't. Afraid not. See this? Nice colour. These, yeah, a bit gratified. However, this one, there it is there, is younger than those. But that one there is pretty much the same look. I reckon this one, it all depends on the alloy that was made, whether it was lead or a lead alloy. Down at Westhouse Mills, they're coming out 1808, 9 and 10, and they're disgusting. They're falling apart because they're more pewter than lead. So the seals are absolutely grotty. I think it's to do with the alloy of the lead rather than the age. Because these are all from the same field, look. And they're all different. Anyway, 7 seals. There's life in the old man yet. Had a good day out. Hope you enjoyed it. Look, they're out there. Go get them. But the important thing is, you need a site where these things exist. I've been out. Last time I was out, I just went out for a little tolly, get my hand in. Found 1 coin, because I'd worked that site to death. There's still more there. I'm sure there are. So find yourself a site. Don't go spending vast amounts of money on a new, fabulous, expensive detector, thinking you can get deeper and get the stuff you'd missed. You can't. You can't. Stuff goes down 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, that's it. Even the best detector won't find stuff. That'll cause some. You know, I'm just out to cause trouble. Right, there you go then. You take care. Bye.